Hello friends, welcome back to your channel, Learning with Fun. Let's learn a guide to camping in nature, exciting and safe adventure in the middle of nature. But before this learning, please subscribe my channel for more fun and learning videos. You are also requested to like, share and comment. Let's learn something new. Friends, camping is a fantastic way to enjoy the beauty of nature, relieve stress, and spend quality time with family or friends. Let's discuss what are the guidelines for camping in nature. Some things you need to prepare before camping are: choose a location. Choose a camping location that suits your experience and needs. Permits and regulations. Make sure you have a camping permit and comply with local regulations. Check the weather forecast to ensure conditions are safe. There are some important equipment for camping we must bring with. Tent and sleeping pad. Choose a tent that suits the weather and number of people. Cooking equipment. Bring a portable stove, gas and other cooking utensils. Clothing. Bring weather-appropriate clothing and extra layers for the evening. Other equipment: flashlight, spare batteries, map and compass. One of the most important things is food and drinks that need to be brought for camping. 1. Plan a menu that is easy to cook and nutritious. 2. Make sure you bring enough drinking water or a water filter. 3. Bring snacks like nuts, dried fruit and granola. We must also know about camping activities. Here are some camping activities that you can do: hiking and exploring, bonfire, fishing, nature photography. But friends, there are some camping etiquette, which are: leave no trace, leave nature as you found it. Be calm, respect the tranquility of nature and other visitors. Use footpaths, follow existing footpaths to reduce impact on nature. So friends, with good preparation and following the tips discussed, you can enjoy a fun and safe camping experience. Have a good adventure and enjoy the beauty of nature. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot. Stay tuned for more learning and exciting videos.